Hello everybody, this is Walter McCormick with Walter McCormick Insurance on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So really quick, deleting that. Hope you saw that. If not, rewind, you can see it again. So I'm going to be doing a little thing called Business Insurance 101, okay? And so the first thing I'm going to talk about, and really the only thing I'm going to talk about in this video, is called classification. Now, this is a very important topic in terms of business insurance, and the specific area that I'm going to be looking at here is contractors. I run into this a lot. I talk to a lot of contractors, I speak with them, I interact with them. So one of the things, I'm going to erase this, okay? So one of the things you have to understand about business insurance is the classifications that everything comes into play, okay? So let's take an example, okay? So let's say you've got Jose, right? And so Jose is a landscaper, okay? So, what all does Jose include? Okay, so you've got lawn mowing, okay, and then let's say you've got so let's say Jose does lawn mowing, he does irrigation. Okay, and that's all Jose does. Okay, so now let's say there's a customer and he comes to Jose and he says, hey, I got this tree I need you to plant this tree. Okay, so when you're looking at, you're a landscape contractor. Obviously, Jose, is thinking about making money and running a business, okay? So now, Jose, he mows lawns, he does irrigation. So, depending on the insurance company and a lot of other factors, let's say this is one classification. And this is another one. This is separate. Okay? This involves more risk than this does. So this is more expensive, this is less expensive. Okay? So now, how does planting trees come into this? This is a new separate classification. So let's say Jose's insurance only has him doing this and some of this. We'll do a dotted line, okay? So this, he's not paying a lot of money for, and there's this and this more expensive thing. Now this can have qualifiers, like if it's a small tree, it's not going to be a big deal necessarily. Some landscaping coverages include planting of trees under 10 feet, okay? So if tree's under 10 feet, you're probably good. I got a carrier that's their cutoff is 10 feet. And if it's more than 10 feet, that's a big tree. So anyway, so he does mowing, some irrigation, and he's got a customer that asks him to plant a tree. So technically, per insurance, right, coverage-wise, he cannot plant the tree, okay? If you are expanding your businesses, you need to make sure to pay really close attention to all the different things that you do, okay? I'll give you another example. Okay? Let's delete landscape, okay? So let's say we got Michael. Mike, because I don't want to do a lot of writing. And he is a handyman. Now, I know a lot of handymen, and they are rather confusing to insure because they do a little bit of everything. So, you know, they may fix a toilet. Okay? They may hang a TV. Okay? They may do a little bit of this, a little bit of carpentry. Okay? Now, if Mike is like, I'm a handyman, I can do anything, and his client asks him, to get up on the roof and fix some shingles or do some roofing work. Now Mike, he wants to make some money, so he's like, yeah, sure, no problem. This is a big no-no, okay? Because a handyman is not a roofer, is not equal to a roofer. Roofing insurance is much more expensive than handyman. So handyman is not equal to a roofer. So you can think with that in terms of any business classification. So that is why I run into a lot of improperly classified business insurance, okay? Now, if you have this, the chances are that you will be denied in some claims. Like your chances are greater. Now, granted, the insurance company could cover the claim and then cancel your policy. They could do a lot of different things, but the chances of you getting denied for improperly classifying your business insurance is much greater if you are not upfront with your insurance agent on the front end. So, in an effort our job is to protect and secure your business and your life and your assets and all that. We cannot do that if you don't tell us all the details of your business insurance. So keep that in mind. I'm going to cut this video off here. If you have other questions, feel free to comment, like this video, share it, reach out to me at Walter McCormick Insurance. I'm very easy to reach. Y'all have a great day and be great.